Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use toggle widget with WordPress and Elementor. So make sure to log into your WordPress, and then here you can see I have Elementor installed. This is free plugin. So next would be to open page where you wish to edit your toggle widget. Okay, so in that page we'll try to add our toggle widget. So let me just wait for this to load. Okay, now here we have basic widget, pro widget, and in general we have to find that toggle widget. Simply drop it in here. Okay, you'll notice that this looks something similar to accordion widget, but it's slightly different. Okay, let's go with icons. Let's go with something simple. So you see our icons are changed. Active icon, I can change that to. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, now what I will do is I will add one more item. Let's make it toggle #3, then another item toggle #4. okay, and then what we have is style. So we can change the border color to something simple here. So yeah, we can add this color, make it a bit whitish. Okay, now after that you also have some space between. You can add that. It would be too much, so let's have some space like this. Then you can have your title with specific color. I will have gray, and then active color, let's see, blue. Okay, now what we'll do is we will, instead of going through all the advanced setting which we don't even need, we will simply update it. Okay, now let's preview the change, and here you see your toggle option. Notice that here I have only placed the border for space in between, and when you expand this, all will be expanded. Unlike your tab or accordion, here if anything is expanded, it remains in that state. Okay, also you can choose to have all the borders removed completely, so that when you are having some sort of FAQ, you can simply have it as some sort of page text instead of a widget being shown. Okay, so this was small demo on how you can use toggle with WordPress and Elementor.